Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to remove an item on your Dollar General online shopping cart. Open the website at dollargeneral.com, then click the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Sign In. Click on Sign In. Now, sign in with your email or phone and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a shopping cart icon on the upper right side of this page. Click on the shopping cart icon. Now you will see all of the items on your cart. Click on the Remove option under the item you wish to remove. Then a pop-up message will appear asking if you are sure to delete the selected item. To confirm, click on OK. That's how you remove an item on your Dollar General online shopping cart. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.